Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. That's La Paloma screen. So today I created this gorgeous look for you guys. So the reason why I chose these colors is I asked my little sister for her 4 favorite colors, and they were purple, blue, red, and black. So this is the reason why I chose and I created this look all for her. So Citlali, this video is dedicated to you. I hope you liked the look that I created. And I'm gonna be showing you guys a text message so you guys know this is legit. Like, she chose my colors for my eyes today, and that's gonna be right there. And the palette that I chose, or the palette that I created this look with, was the Charles palette by Morphe. I've been picking this palette up so much lately because it has so much variety of colors, so it's just so easy to create like a look like this because it has a lot of variety of colors. So yes, that was the look I created. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys want to know how I did it or how I created, please keep on watching.
Okay, so first off, we're gonna go ahead and get some tape and just put that diagonal from your eyebrows to your eyes. Then we're gonna go ahead and pick up that bright red with this fluffy brush, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend that all over our lid. Then we're gonna pick up that purple with another fluffy brush, and we're gonna put that in the middle of the lid. Then we're gonna just pack it on a little bit more for more color. Then we're gonna pick up another brush and do that blue. Put that in the corner of our eyes. Then we're gonna cut the crease. Be very careful with these with this step, you guys, because it can ruin your look. We're gonna go ahead and pick up that red again and put that in the tear duct. I'm like gonna alternate the colors here, not go with the pattern on top. We're gonna pick up a brighter blue, and we're just gonna pack that on in the middle of the lid, making sure it doesn't go on top of the purple. Just very careful, pack that color in. I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna go ahead and do that on the other eye as well. Then we're gonna pick up that purple, a lighter purple, and just blend out on the outer V. Then we're gonna go ahead and pick up a black, and then we're gonna we're gonna deepen that outer V just a little bit more and create more definition. Excuse my tongue. We're gonna go ahead and pick up that blue eyeliner, and we're gonna cut the crease, and then we're gonna clean it as much as we can, and we're gonna pick up that really nice glittery baby blue and kind of cut the crease again. Be very careful when you do this step, and make sure not to get the glitter shadow all over. Just make sure to do it on top of that blue lined line. Then we're gonna go ahead and pick up the blue eyeliner again and line and wing our eyes, and then we're gonna pick up a black and go right under that. Just gives it a nice artistic look. Then we're gonna take the tape. It's so satisfying when you take the tape off. You can see that finished look. It looks so nice. Then you're gonna clean your face. Make sure it's all nice and clean. Then I'm gonna go ahead and be right back and do the rest of my face.
Okay guys, so this is the look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it wasn't too difficult to follow because it did take me a very long time to create it, and it's not like 100% perfect, but I really love the way it turned out. It's so cute. Citlali, I hope I did not disappoint. And if you are subscribed, I know you're subscribed to my channel, you have to be. So if you liked it, Citlali, please leave a comment below so I know you liked it. and I hope you guys liked it too. Do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. I'm actually going to be doing a few more videos like this. I'm going to be texting my sister, my mom, and my friends to see their favorite colors so I can do a look like this again with the colors that they chose. I'm having them pick 4 colors. So yes, this is the look. I hope you guys liked it. Please do not forget to subscribe, and everybody that has subscribed and that's still subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I know I'm not the best on makeup and I'm not a guru or anything like that, but I love doing these videos. I love doing my makeup. So if I can teach you guys the way that I do it, and if you guys like it, I totally love that. And I totally love that you guys are still subscribed to my channel. I know we're not a lot, but I don't care. I'm gonna keep doing this because my goal is just to help you guys out with your makeup and hopefully give you a little bit of tips and to show you how to do your makeup as well. So it's not necessarily to become famous or anything like that, but if I do in the process, I won't be mad. But yes, so thank you guys so much for still subscribing, and thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Please stay safe out there. Remember, wash your hands. See you next time. Bye.